So to make the website like this, we need two basic things. The first one is domain. Domain is nothing but it's your company name, and the second one is hosting. Hosting is the place where these all your files, photographs, images, and all things are going to be stored in a file. So we need to buy domain and hosting. So if you go to the below video of this description section, you will find this link. You need to click on this, and once you click on this, you will be redirected to this page. Then click on get started. If you are new, you are making your first website, you can go for this. Otherwise, you can go for this. Click on buy now. In this page, you guys, if you are already having your domain, you can click on this and you can put your domain. And if you are new, if you are going to start your new business or new domain, you need to click on this, and here you need to type your company name. So we are going to register it. You can type and you can click on search. It says it's available. Now go down. Billing cycle. Yeah, it's amazing. You are getting 60.50% off. You can select the billing cycle you want to try for 1 month or 3 months or 6 months. It depends on you. You can choose for trial basis for 1 month, and here you need to put your username, then security pin like 1234. It should be in 4 digit, and I can write my username LUIS Luis MBA, and I can enter my email ID. I can confirm email ID. I can put my first name. My first name is Luis. My second name is MBA. So I'm not writing. You need to type your own name. It's just for tutorial. Company name if you have. If you don't have, not an issue. It's optional. And phone number, and address, the country, state, zip code, and finally you need to put your. You need to decide the payment type. Are you going to pay by credit card or debit card, or you can pay by PayPal as well. You can pay by credit card. Name on the card, credit card number, CVV code, which is the back side of your credit card or debit card. Then expiry date on the front side of your debit card or credit card. This thing is not necessary. Then you need to tick on this. You can untick this because we are new. We don't need all these things. Once we generate the business, then in future we require all those things that we'll tell you later on. And finally, this is your money back guarantee option also is there. If you don't like the services, you can quit it, and your total amount is for this first month. Okay. So guys, once you tick on this, you need to click on this, and once you make the payment, you will be getting a mail, and where you will be getting, in that mail you will be getting very important information, that is your username and your password for control panel. Okay, so this is your control panel. You need to click on this, and once you click on this, you need to enter your login name and password, which is on your mail, and then click on login. And once you click on login, you need to come down and you need to search for WordPress. This is our WordPress. We are going to make our website in WordPress, which is very quite easy. You don't need to have any prior knowledge. You don't need to have any coding knowledge. This is going to help you really awesome. Then click on install. And here you can here you need to choose your domain. Make sure cancel this one, it should be empty. In directory it should be empty, and this is your domain. You need to choose protocol. You can choose HTTPS, okay, because this is secure. Okay, you can see this lock, so you can choose HTTPS or you can choose HTTP, and here you need to enter your domain name. Okay, then my blog, your site name, you can enter your site name, and site description, tell something about your site. So my site is about interior. My site name is Louis, and my site description is e-commerce tutorial. This is tutorial. You can enter your own. Then you need to enter your admin, and you need to remember it, because later on we are going to use this username and password. So I'm putting, you can put your own username. I'm putting password. Here you need to enter your mail ID. So whatever mails will be there, you will be getting on that mail ID. Then just click on install. Once you click on, install, you will get, after installation, your WordPress will be installed, and you will be getting a mail. You will be getting a mail from installer, and you will be getting these two things, your URL and your admin. So you need to click on this WordPress admin. Once you click on install button, you will be getting a mail, what mail ID you have entered from WordPress, and here you need to enter your mail ID and password, then log in. Let me close all this, because I like to work in a clean environment. So let me clean all these things. Okay, so once you log in to the dashboard of WordPress, so this is your WordPress dashboard, from where we are going to control our website, and we are going to design our website. Okay, now let me tell you one thing, very important thing. When you click, this is your site name, and when you hover on this, you will find this. So you need to click on right side and open in new tab. Okay, so this is your dashboard, this is your back end, and this is your front end. Here nothing is there, it's very plain. So we are going to design our site. You don't need to be worried, because it is going to be very easy. It's very simple. It's just a job of drag and drop. I don't need this, I can cancel this. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to setting. In the setting, we need to go to permalinks. Then in the permalinks, we need to click on post, then save changes, then go to appearance, and click on theme, click on add new, then search for Astra. This is Astra theme. I've already installed. Then after installation, you need to click on install, then you need to click on activate. Okay, so I have already installed it, and I have already, you can see I have already installed it, and I have already activated it. So once I can close this, and as I have already, now go back to dashboard, and from here I can go to appearance. Then as I told you, I've already installed Astra theme, so I can see Astra options and Astra starter sites. So I can go on Astra starter sites, and here I can type interior designer. So this is the theme which I want. Now this is fully working website. We're going to import this site to make our own site. Okay, so you need to click import site. It will take 4-5 minutes, depends on the speed of the computer. This process can take anywhere between 2 to 10 minutes depending on the size of the website and the speed of the connection. Hope everything is going easy and simple, and there you don't need to have any coding knowledge. Normally to make all these sites people are already charging more than $2,000 to $3,000, and people are already paying $1,000 to $4,000, $5,000 because these things are creative, and software engineer and the web developer, and there are so many agencies they are charging to design all this kind of a website. And all these things, technology, the world has become a global village, and you can do business all over the world. It's very easy. Now import is completed, so we have done it. We can click here. Okay guys, from here also you can go to dashboard, and I can close this. Now this is my site. I can click, right click, I can open. So this is my backend and this is my front end. Now click on customize. My net is little bit slow, so that's why it's taking time, but I haven't made payment for internet. So once you click on customize, you can see this blue icon. If you want to change this logo, you can change it by clicking on this. Once I click on this and this changes, you will see immediately. Now I want to remove this, and you need to click, I can click on select logo, and I can upload my own logo. I can, because I've already designed my logo in the logo maker. That you can also learn from YouTube, how to make logo. Where is my logo? This is my logo. So this is my logo. I can crop the image like this. I can reduce the size. Logo should be small. From here also I can crop. Skip cropping. Okay. Now click on publish. Click on refresh. Okay. Now you can see we have got the logo. In the same way, once you click on customize, I'm sorry my net is little bit slow because it is going to be over. Wherever you see this blue icon, you just need to click on this and you can change. Suppose if you want these things left hand side and say this copyright, here you can put your name, current year title, this is Louis font, you can change. In the same way you can change this also. Once you click on this, and here you can change, start making changes. Okay, now I can go back. I can click on edit with Elementor. This Elementor is amazing because everything is pre-built and you just need to change your content. Nothing, you don't need to be worried. The left hand side you will find these things. These are the buttons and these are the elements. Almost all elements you will find over here. So if you want to make any changes on this, there are three things are there. Edit section. What you want to change? You want to change this. You need to click on this, and from here you can change. I'm sorry, there was a call. So whatever you want to change, suppose you want to change this, you need to click on this and you will find this creative. Just start typing. You can type your own content. Okay, and immediately you can see the changes. You can see over here. In the same way, you want to change the image, you just need to click on this edit inner section, click on this, and you can change the image. And in the same way, if you want to change this, you can change the image. You can do like this, increase and decrease the sizes. In the same way, just click on this, and you want to change this thing, you can change. All these things you can change by yourself. You don't need to ask anybody, because this is very easy. You can change the image, you can change these words, you can change these contents. Everything is, see, just click here and see this side, living room. You can change, even you can change, you can edit this column, you can click on this, you can change this. All these things you can change by yourself. You don't need to do anything. Let's see the services page. Say, if you want to change, you can change this. If you want to change this, you can change this. You can change it from here, the contact number and all that. Let me type my number, 98200917776. See the changes. You can click on this, and you can click on this, you can change. So this is one way. I'll tell you one more thing. Suppose if you want to change any section, you just click on that section, and you can go on this add templates. You can choose these ready-made templates. Don't go for pro one, because here you need to pay. This one is free, this one is free, this one is free. You can say you want this, just click on insert. It will take some time because we are going to use ready-made templates. We have got it, we have got this. Okay, so this is ready-made templates. You can change this also, like this, like this. So in the same way, what you can do, you just go on this and you can choose number of design, and from this design you can choose according to your business, which suits your business, which suits your profession. You can choose, so many things are there. Even you go to blocks also, you can choose from blocks also, so many things. Now I can go back. If you like this video, please give thumbs up and please don't forget to share. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks a lot.